Okay, we go. Hey, sir. Sorry for the delay. So you going to a hotel in Pala? Yeah, I know the place. It's lucky for you. Pala has only one hotel still working. See that plane? You won't see any more very soon. It's probably the last one out of this country. Full of rich people. Only money and connections can get you out of it. Bloody idiot. Nobody follows the rules anymore. I told him the plane's gone, but they don't believe me. Everyone thinks the big planes are coming back. Who can say anymore? Sanibonani bahlekazi njani? Hey, look at that. I see something. You do so much to the fire. It smells like a virus, that thing. My brother has such a beautiful bungalow with a bar, 3 cattle. Hey, a rich man. A brush fire destroyed everything. And now he left the country. Yeah, he'll be dead.
This is Liberation Radio, speaking the truth for the truth seekers. And the truth is that your country needs you. Beware the evil APR scourge. A plague has gripped our people.
They're not fans of the DJ. Maybe his music choices. Who knows? Ngibona boss amusimela icheckpoint izolo ne. Hayi mina mnumzana. Bengayazi umsebenzi la ngiyakwazi. Khuluma iqiniso man.
Where are you headed?
My passenger, driving him to the hotel in town.
You come from the airport?
Yes, sir. The airport. Gentlemen, you are posted here all day. On my way back, I grabbed some cold beer. You drink beer, ne?
Yep, beer. We drink beer. Hurry up then. Move along.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. See you soon, sir. No offense, sir. But you know, these militia, they come into our country, steal everything, and they leave us nothing. A lot of troops nowadays. It's okay. They keep to themselves most of the time. Don't let this concern you. Just boys letting off steam. You remember how it is. is trying to find a way out of the country. Only fools stay now. Hey, fools and cab drivers. Okay, sir, we are here. We made it tonight. Hey, are you okay? You don't look so good. You tired?
The target's presence in the state continues to be a destabilizing influence. He's largely responsible for the recent influx of weapons into the country in clear violation of the Joint Signatory Framework. His reputation as a dangerous arms dealer is well deserved. Orders are to terminate. Well, that didn't work out the way they planned. I'm still breathing and you're the one with malaria. You can tell them you tried, but that means fuck all, doesn't it? You're fired. You know it, so do I. You had your shot, but now it's over. And since men like you only work for money, you're no longer my problem. You'll have to find something else to do with yourself now. What your old clients don't seem to understand is that they can't kill me. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nobody kills me. Nobody. I'm the one who decides who lives and who dies. Me. You know, there's a book I read a long time ago. Still think about it every day. It helps me understand life out here. The book talks about men, about what motivates them. Simple, really. A living being seeks above all else to discharge its strength. Life itself is will to power. Nothing else matters. So long.
Bagana truck.
You a mess, man. That business looks nasty. My name is Carbonell. I don't care what your name is. You're just the problem right now. Who you working with? You got some of my guys killed at the hotel, you know that? So I think you work for me now. I've got a few errands for you, errand boy. Get on out here. Get yourself kitted up. There's ammo and meds for you.